and the feedback is taken across the emitter resistance only. The feedback is taken across the emitter resistance and given along with the input. Negative feedback, I give a portion of output and I'm going to mix it in opposite way at the input side. Okay, so the feedback signal is also taken across RE only because RE is present at the output side and also at the input side. Or if you consider this path, RE is there. If you apply KVL here, RE will be there. So RE is going to act like if there is any component common to both input and output side, that is going to be called as the feedback component. Here, the feedback signal is taken from the voltage across RE. Okay, so feed whatever output voltage is produced, that is fed back to the input. So I can say VF equal to V naught. So the output voltage measured across RE is same as the feedback voltage measured across VF. So this topology confirms the voltage series feedback topology as the sampled signal is taken directly from the output and it is mixed in series with the input. So from the output I take the voltage and I'm going to mix it in series with the input. So this is going to be a perfect example for voltage series feedback configuration. The first thing we are going to find what is the voltage gain with feedback, without feedback, what is the input resistance with feedback, without feedback. All these things we are going to theoretically do it. Now we are going to draw. We are going to see where is this RE going to come, whether it is going to come at the input side or it is going to come at the output side. So for drawing the input circuit, you have to make output voltage 0. So when you are making output voltage 0 means I'm going to ground my emitter. So this RE will not be there. So in the input side, RE will not come. So in the input side, you have only VS, RS, base and ground. So for you have to see this RE is present in both output and input side, right? So you have to clearly see whether RE will come at the input side or RE will come at the output side or it will come in both the sides. There are three possibilities, right? So for drawing the input side to check whether RE will come at the input side, what you should make V naught equal to 0. When you make V naught equal to 0, it is meaning like I'm going to ground my emitter. When the emitter is grounded, this RE will not be there. RE will be 0. So RE will not appear at the input side. At the input side, RE will not appear. To see whether RE will appear at the output side, you have to make the input current as 0. So make IB equal to 0. If the input current is 0, only the collector current flowing from V will flow through RE. So RE will come at the output side. So input side no RE, output side I will have